Right here, Toys for Tots Smart Campaign and Social Post. I introduced this in the Bull Trail Academy on Friday. My name's Alex, Bull Trail Academy, eXp Realty, and I'm showing agents how to use the KV Core, which is now Bull Trail Platform CRM, to communicate with their database, make you the presence of mind agent. And the Toys for Tots Smart Campaign is going to give you another reason to contact your clients and have conversations with them. That's what it's all about. We just came off the pie challenge, had massive success. We gave away 300 pies. Last count that I had, we generated about 25 transactions from clients being engaged with agents, having discussions. Oh, by the way, I am thinking about buying a property, or my cousin's thinking about buying, or we need to sell a property, whatever it is. This is a reason, guys, to reach out to your database. So let's jump into this. As you can see on my school platform, I have the Toys for Tots Smart Campaign and Social Post. Let's jump in and take a look. So what I'm doing here is I'm combining a couple different elements of the features of the platform to communicate this message out. What I've created here is the social media post. R&D, rip off, duplicate it, use it. It is the social media post. Down here is the token for the smart campaign. Don't include this in your social media post, but do use this. I created this graphic. You don't have to use it. You can use your own. I just created it, EXP branded. You can use that in your social media post. Now, the first thing I did is I went in and I did a blog post. And this is my digitally branded site through the platform. And I put together this blog post. And this is the page that I post to social media. So when you are in the KV Core platform, you go up here to Quick Actions, and you go Blog Post, and you go in and you create the blog post. You add the blog post, and then you go in and put in a unique title. You can't use my title, you have to create your own, but you can put the body in here and you can add the photo. Now, the next thing I did was I went to my business page. You can see this is my New Vision Realty EXP business page, and I put the blog post in there with a short description. And there's the link that goes directly to the blog post. And then once I had that in, I made sure to feature it and pin it to the top of my page. Now this is out on my business page. I shared it with my personal page, and then any other groups that I'm involved in. Because this is a community-focused toy drive, it's not a direct advertisement, so the administrator of the groups should allow the post to go and be posted on the groups because you're doing a toy drive. It's not a direct advertisement. And so again, it gives you another reason to get out there and post this. And it's not, hey, I'm going to try and pick up clients, buy, sell houses. No, you're doing something for the community, and that's why this is a unique opportunity right now. Now let's take this a step further using the platform. We've used the blog, we've gone to social media, and now what I've done is I've put this all into this smart campaign, Toys for Tots Drive Dyer Smart Campaign. I got 7 touches on this campaign. And these are all formatted so that they're not office-centric, they're not agent-centric. It's formatted in such a way to where any agent, any office can use it. And I've done this intentionally so that if you're in Elk Grove, if you're in Vacaville, if you're in Folsom, you're not tied to one office for the donation. And really the way I formatted this is I want the client to have to respond to you. So the way these emails are structured and the text messages are structured is that if they want to donate, you can come by and pick up the toy from their house, giving you an opportunity to go to their house and have a discussion about the holidays and maybe wind real estate into that. And then if they want to drop off a donation to your office, well, they have to call for the address. They have to reach out to you, text, email, whatever it is, and say, hey, what's the address of this drop-off? Now, you need to add that toy drive campaign, Smart Campaign, to your campaign library. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the Bull Trail Academy. You're going to pick up this token. You're going to copy it. You're going to come over here. You're going to paste this token in place. And you're going to add it. Are you sure? You're going to say, yes, I'm sure. In my case, I'm going to say no because I already have it in there twice. But that's what you do. I'm like I say, I'm giving you the opportunity to go and use multiple areas of the platform, multiple features, I should say, so that you can go and engage with your database. And guys, the real engagement happens when you pick up the phone and call your clients. So who are you going to send this to? That's totally up to you. This isn't just existing homeowner centric like really the Pi campaign was. This goes out to maybe your vendors, your sphere of influence, your buyers, people that you're currently engaged with is who I'm sending it to because I really want to build those relationships. So I hope you find this useful. I kind of went through this quickly, so if you run into blocks as you're executing on this, as always, just reach out to me. Most questions I answer in about 5 minutes, so it's not a bother. Just reach out to me. And all of this content, like I said, is in the Bull Trail Academy. I've posted it here. So get out there. Let's get some donations for Toys for Tots. And at the same time, engage in your database. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.